Quick guide, 5 easy ways to launch Siri on your iPhone. Let's go! Method 1. Press and hold the home button to summon Siri. Method 2. Press and hold the side button until Siri appears. Method 3. Say "Hey Siri" to wake it hands-free. Method 4. With wired earbuds, press the inline remote button to trigger Siri. With wireless AirPods, double tap or simply say "Hey Siri" to activate. Method 5. Use the accessibility shortcut to launch Siri quickly. To set it up, open Settings, tap Accessibility, then Shortcuts and add Siri. Tip: enable Listen for "Hey Siri" and allow Siri on the lock screen for full access. Recap: home button, side button, "Hey Siri", earbuds, and accessibility shortcut. Try them now and see which fits your routine. Which method is your favorite? Like and share for more quick iPhone tips.